This is going to be an unboxing and a review of the CARCHET. This is the dash camera. It's like a mounted mirror. Box is pretty nice. Open it, you kind of slide this part out. It reminds me of opening like a iPhone or something like that. You just kind of lift and let the bottom part slowly slide out from the bottom. Open it, nice black padding on the top to protect the mirror. And then here it is. So it comes in this wrapping. Slide it out, has a protective film over it for now. This looks like the dash cam here and the two clamps that you can put onto your mirror. Setting the camera aside, it has a bunch of wiring down here. I'm sure this is to get back power and the dash camera. Make sure everything runs right. And inside this is the owner's manual on how to set it up. This is the user manual. Reading through this pretty quickly. It's very, very organized. Should be pretty easy to set up. And let's see how this goes. So mounting this mirror dash camera is very easy. I've already set it up. It took me maybe a minute and a half. It comes with these plastic mounting straps. There's 4 of them. 2 of them are different sizes depending on what mirror you have. They wrap around the back of your mirror, and it looks pretty factory from here. Per the user's guide, step 1 is mounting it, which is very easy, and step 2 is hooking up the power cord, which is that cable right there. And it comes down to a cigarette lighter, which you can just plug in any cigarette board in your car. It comes with a pretty long wire, so you can run it through the headboard to hide it, so it doesn't have to be out in the open like this. After peeling the cover off, it has 2 modes. Once you plug it in, it has this mirror mode, which is just a normal rearview mirror. And then when you either press this button on the bottom, or if you just touch the touchscreen, it pops up either with this menu or with the camera is in the front right here. So it'll have the what the camera is seeing in the front. It also has the time, day, and the date. The second part of the instruction says to mount the reverse camera. So all that is just another plug-in right here, and that is it has a long wire that you can run through the headboard, but I just kind of did it semi-permanently to the back. I just put it on a light right there so you can see it, and what that looks like in the back here, you can swipe to see all the views. And so this is the front, that's the back camera, and front again, back, and then this would just be the normal rear view mirror, just like that. So this is what both the views look like while driving. The cameras are very, very clear. It's a pretty wide field of view. You can see the back, and I don't have a reverse camera, so this works perfectly. And then you can also turn it off just to make it a regular mirror, or you can just have one or the other by swiping. This is footage taken off the SD card of the camera. This is coming from the front mirror. It has a dash cam behind the mirror and shooting out the front windshield from inside the car. It's in full HD. It's very, very smooth, pretty clear for a dash cam, and nothing to complain about. And this view right here is the rear view mirror, or reverse camera, whichever you'd like to call it. And just take note that this back window is pretty tinted, and it still shoots through that pretty well. It's pretty clear, and it's not like jittery at all. And then this is another view of the front camera on a